Hey guys, it's SterlingW. So we needed a solution to move this heavy coffee table around the room, and we didn't want to damage the floor, so we got these furniture sliders. They're 3.5 inches. They're from X Protector, so we decided to try this stuff out. So they're like a big felt pad and a rubber with a rubber top on it. So basically, it won't slide around on your table. It doesn't lose the grip on the feet, and you can actually move the entire heavy table around with one hand. So it's pretty neat. Normally we need two hands to move this thing and just to push this thing around, but now this thing moves really quickly on our hardwood floors. But at the same time, it's felt, so it won't slip around that easily, but it's easy to move. Now the rubber grips on the top of it, and it's pretty thick, so that it's not really gonna move anywhere. We also put it on our dining room table, which is extremely heavy, and it seems to be holding out pretty well. You could move the whole dining room table with a little bit of force, but it's a lot easier than moving it with its regular feet. Now, these X Protector furniture sliders, they're meant to be reusable for movings and stuff, and here are the main things. It's mainly it's felt, it's reusable, and it doesn't slip. And there's rubber on the back so it won't slip. It's actually meant for sofas, washing machines, and other large furniture and stuff. And that's pretty cool, the fact that you could reuse these things. So we're planning to just keep it there as our furniture feet. So we, basically felt on the hardwood floors. So it's been pretty cool. We'll see in a few months how this thing works out. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW, and I hope this review was helpful to you. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.